Hello, good day. We are still here in our government chart of accounts. So let's proceed so that we would be able to identify the different account codes used by the government. So I didn't anymore designate our learning objective for this one because these are still part of our government accounting and a continuation. Okay? So see, our learning objectives would be to know the different government accounts, to be able to differentiate each account or the revised account, and then to be able to know how it was used. Okay? To be able to know each account. So let's proceed. So for asset, we have the first line item is the cash and cash equivalent. So for the government, the cash and cash equivalent has various accounts. So we start with the cash on hand. So yung cash on hand, ito yung mga hawak ng mga government employee. So we have the cash collecting officer. Si cash collecting officer, ito yung mga cashier ng government, yung mga nagpupunta sa house to collect, or yung mga not included in the remittance agency. These are purely the employee of the government who collect cash. Halimbawa, you go to the SSS, nakita nyo doon na merong cashier nagko-collecta. That is now the cash collecting officer. And the cash collecting officer are normally banded. Para nang sa ganun, kung sakaling banded sila or meaning insured sila, so that in the event na bigla silang mawala or itakbo nila yung money, the government will not lose its money. So they are banded under the Bureau of Treasury. Pero chine-check naman kung magkano dapat yung banding nila kasi syempre may bayad din yun eh. So that would be the insurance. So cash collecting officer are any government employee that collect cash from the people. Like the teller sa bank for the land bank, the cashier dun sa mga binabayaran nating GSIS, LTOs, or anything that wherein we hand our money to pay. Thank you. Next, we also have the petty cash fund. So, si petty cash fund naman, previously kasi walang petty cash fund si government. However, kasi mamamahal yung cheque. So, it was disadvantageous for the government to always use cash. Or to always use check rather. So, nagkakaroon din ng petty cash fund to defray small expenses. So, kung makita nyo, di ba, meron akong pinakita na tinatawag natin na petty cash vouchers. So, this one is included to that one. So, that the cash custodian will be able to determine kung magkano pa yung advance. So, normally, si petty cash, mga cash advances naman yung binibigay sa kanya. Or yung mga revolving fund that need to be liquidated at the end of the year. And then, we also have the local currency on hand. So, yun yung na-deposit na kay head teller or na-deposit na dun sa government na nandun pa sa CAFR. Then, we also have the foreign currency on hand. Take note, we have foreign branches abroad like the SSS and other collecting governments sa different country to protect our bagong bayani. So, we still have the OWA. And guys, kung baka may mga OFW dito na nakikinig, I just wanted to share, yung sa OWA, you need to pay, you got to check whether you were insured or you were able to pay the insurance for OWA within the year. So that whatever happened that serve as your insurance para makuha nyo yung mga benefits nyo sa OWA. Okay? We would have a separate videos for all the benefits that you had to get for OWA so that we would be equipped with that one. We also have the check and other cash items. So take note, yung check kasi pag may value na yon, so natanggap na sa atin na, that's good as cash here in the Philippines. Although it's not still a legal tender because this one is a negotiable instrument instructing your bank to pay this person or a certain person, included pa rin siya sa cash and cash equivalent ng government. Then, we also have the Treasury Fund Capital. So, si Treasury Fund Capital, ito kasi yung mga, di ba mapapasin nyo sa bank, minsan sabihin, yung mga long-term investment, yun yung Treasury Fund. Or in some then, that could also be the fund of the government to defray long-term expenditures. Okay? Next, we also have the cash in local currency. So, cash in bank. So, ito naman yung mga nasa bangko. So, number 1, cash in bank local currency BSP. So, ito yung amount or pera na nakay BSP lang. Nakay BSP or sa BSP nakadeposit. Next, we also have cash in local currency current account. So, si current account, ito yung mga checking account. So, kayo din, meron kayo nito kapag nakita kayo ng check, that's current account. Okay? So, ito yung mga pera ng government na nasa iba't ibang bangko, pero ginagamit ay checking account. Next, we also have the cash in bank local currency savings account. So, ito naman yung mga savings account lang, yung meron lang passbook. Okay? Next, we also have the due from Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas local currency. Since itong Bangko Sentral, good as cash kasi bank din siya, you could always withdraw that. So, yung mga utang ni Bangko Sentral, nilalagay din siya as cash in bank local currency as well as dun sa mga bangko kasi they could always ask for that like Land Bank. Next, we also have the cash in foreign currency. So, si cash in foreign currency, yung mga dollar. Kasi yung Philippines, hindi siya makakagawa ng money without a dollar. So, we have the cash in bank foreign account. So, syempre, naka-BSB pa rin. And that's also the reason why most of our exportation are zero-rated. So, kapag nag-export ka, zero-rated. Pero pag nag-import ka or papasok, nade-deplete, naging kakompetensya siya ng mga product ng Pilipinas, that is vatable or that is 12%. Okay? Unless there were exemption for that one na mapapakita na kulang yung supply ng Pilipinas. So, kailangan umangkat para nang sa ganun matama. We also have cash in bank foreign currency current account. So, ito naman yung mga pera na kailangan dollar account. So, more, like for example, sa ibang company or sa, halimbawa, sa GSIS, meron din siyang mga foreign remittance. Kasi, di ba, may mga pumapasok. So, there is also, and sometimes, meron tayong mga trustee, yung mga aid. So, napupunta siya dyan kapag nabigay na. You also have, pero normally, ang may hawak kasi nito, Bureau of Treasury. Then, you also have the cash in bank foreign currency savings account. So, it's just the same with the cash in bank sa local currency. Naka-check lang siya. Then, due from the BSC, foreign currency, and other banks. Okay? Next, we also have the Treasury Agency Cash Account. So, ito si Treasury Agency Cash Account. Ito na yung pera na galing sa government or yung, kumbaga, subsidy. Subsidy ng government sa national government. Usually, this came from various collection from the BIR, from the customs, and other limiting agency na napupunta kay Bureau of Treasury, tas dinidistribute sa iba't ibang government agency. We also have the cash and cash equivalents. So, si cash and cash equivalent, we have the treasury bills. So, yung treasury bills natin dito, syempre, katulad din dong sa financial accounting natin, kailangan malaman yung treasury bill should be 3 months or less para ma-consider as cash and cash equivalent. We also have time deposit, local currency. So, kaya lang kailangan less than 90 days din. Katulad nung sa atin. Yun pa rin naman yung rule. Kasi take note, si cash naman ng government ay katulad din nung nasa financial natin. Then, we also have the time deposit, foreign currency. But take note ha, the time deposit should follow the rule dun sa ating IFRS, which means that this should be 3 months from purchase or 3 months nung mapunta sa kay government. You also have the treasury bonds. So, alam naman natin kung ano yung treasury bonds, diba? Ito yung mga kailangan mag-collect ng additional or invest ng government para ipautang sa iba. That's supposed to be parang ganun siya. And then the cash in transit. So, yung cash in transit, yung papunta pa lang. So, yung mga bank deposits na hindi pa nakikredit. Okay? We also have the investment. So, si investment natin, katulad din nung sa ating private, we have financial asset at fair value through profit and loss. So, normally, ito yung mga investment natin sa stocks exchange that we use for trading. So syempre, since day trading lang siya, so, binavalue siya as through profit and loss. And then, those, we also have the financial assets held for trading. Yung ginagamit talaga. Then, we also have long-term investment, pero dinedesignate siya as fair value through profit and loss. Pero hinuhold siya ng mas matagal. Then, we also have the derivative assets held for trading also. And then, the derivatives financial asset designated at fair value or loss. Ito kasi yung mga foreign investment na nagkakaroon ng mga small amount increase or decrease. Okay? Next, we also have the financial asset held to maturity. So, we have the investment in treasury bills local. So, syempre, meron siyang allowance for impairment kasi kung hindi mo siya makuha in the future or mas matagal, so, bumababa at saka tumataas yung value niya. Ganon din kay treasury bill foreign. And so, with the bonds, then the premium on bond discount, and then the discount on bonds. Kasi diba sa bonds natin, sinecheck natin kung nabili ba natin siya ng mas mataas sa market value or mas mababa sa market value. So that kung mas mataas, we bought that on premium. So normally, we allocate the premium depending on the life of the bond. We could use effective interest method and so on and so forth. Then discounted when we buy bonds at a discounted price or lower than its market value. Next, we also have the bonds investment foreign and then allowance for impairment. So both has the allowance for impairment. Ito naman, katulad din ng investment in bonds. Okay? Next, we also have investment in joint venture. So, kasi si government, nagkaroon siya ng mga joint venture. Like, for example, the Malampaya. So, para nang sa ganun, silang dalawa yung magfe-finance, tapos i-go lang ng government. Meron din tayong investment in associates. So, investment in associates natin, ito yung mga less than, more than 10%, pero less than naman sa 50%. Kasi pag naging 50% na yung investment natin, that would now be business combination. So, yan, kasama. We also have the sinking fund. So, may mga ganun din si government. Katulad nung sa private entity natin. Next, we also have the financial asset available for sale security. And then, financial asset domestic. Kasi ito yung dati. Hindi na ito masyado ginagamit sa government. Kasi, these are yung sa past 39 pa. Yung ginagamit na kasi ngayon, under the revise, is the PFRS 9. So, ang ginagamit na yung held for trading. So, itong mga to, ginagamit pa rin party dun sa mga hindi pa nakapag-revise. Or hindi pa nag-follow or nagpa-exempt pa from the PFRS 9. So, we have the financial asset available for sale securities. So, we have the financial asset domestic investment. So, syempre, meron siyang domestic security, yung mga binili natin na dito, na security. Yung mga may repurchase agreement na bibilin ulit ng government. Tsaka yung mga due dun sa local bonds na nagsara na or hindi pa masingil. And then, we also have investment in subsidiaries. So, we have investment. And then, kung mapansin mo, lahat kasi may impairment. Kasi yun yung bago ni PFRS 9 na sinasabi, we need to compute for the expected credit loss for each of the receivables. Okay? Since parang receivables kasi siya. Next, we also have the asset investment in time deposit. So, syempre, dalawa yung time deposit natin. We have local and then foreign. And then, other investments. So, yung mga investments sa stocks, investment in non-marketable securities and other investments. Alam natin sa stocks, di ba? Yung sa mga PSE or yung non-marketable securities, yung hindi siya natatrade pero may investment tayo. Like, yung sa mga banks and then other investments. So, yung mga hindi magka-classify sa mga yan. Okay? So, guys, that's it. So, if you like this video, please help me reach out more people by hitting the subscribe button and the like button below. God bless you. And, guys, if you have questions, just comment below. For my student, just PM me in case you have question. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I love you. Bye-bye. Good night. Ay, fuck, ba't account. So if you have questions, since we would be tackling a little bit more of each of the accounts, please, if you like this video, please help me reach out more people by hitting the subscribe and the like button below. God bless you, and if you have questions, just comment it below. For my student, just if you have questions or clarification, just message me or PM me and use our GC, okay? Bye and have a good day. Stay safe.